Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we are going to import a maven Java project to Intellij IDEA from Eclipse. So what we are trying to do, first we will create a Eclipse maven project and then we will see how to import this maven project inside the Intellij IDEA and how to run it. Let's understand about few important things, the software and the setup I'm using. So here on this notepad everything is written. We are going to follow these steps one by one and I will explain through the step. So here are the softwares I'm using in this tutorial. Your setup may be different, it doesn't matter, but the process will be same. So I have installed the JDK version 21.0 which I have used in my previous video tutorial. Let's verify through this command prompt. Here you can see 21.0.2 is there and I'm using operating system Windows 11 and the Eclipse IDE I'm using is the IDE for the enterprise Java and web developer including incubating components version 12.2023, right? It is 4.30 and the Intellij IDEA version, this is the community edition 2023.2.3. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now going to proceed, let's do some actions. So here are the actions we are going to perform step by step. Okay, let's pick up this step 1. In the first step, we will first create a maven based Java project inside the Eclipse. If you guys have the ready maven project or any project, you can simply jump to this step 2. But in our case, first I'm going to show you by creating an Eclipse project from the scratch. So this is my Eclipse and I'm here. This is the workspace which I have created for my previous video tutorial. So I'm using the same workspace. Go to the file. Then click on the new. Here, go to the maven project. Once you click on it, you can see this window, new maven project window. So here you can see one checkbox select, which is the location for the project. Right now this is set to the different location. So I have just modified it and selected to the workspace. Now click next. Then at this place you have to wait for a few seconds. At first drop down, select all catalogs and the filter. Here the maven arch type will be populated soon. This is fetching all relevant arch types. Okay, and we are going to select the quick start. Okay, only the thing we have to do here, click next. Then you will see group ID field. Just put some group ID. You want to give like com dot something. I'm giving like this cool IT help. The artifact ID, the project name. So assign this a name like this. So I have given test project. That's it. All done. Just click on the finish button and wait for a few seconds. On the right bottom you can see some setup is in progress, showing the progress bar. Once this will be completed, you can proceed. At this console, this will ask you to type yes, type here, Y and press enter. And then you will see the message build success. That means we are ready with this maven project. On the left hand side in the package explorer, you can see your project tree structure is ready. You can expand and check it. Let me close the previous opened files. So here we have the default app.java file with the main method. We have one SYSO inside it, right? And this is our pom.xml file. All settings are there. This is perfectly fine. And our maven project is ready. Now, see this. This is my workspace and here my project folder is appearing. So please note down the path where you have just created your Eclipse project. This path will be used once we work inside the Intellij IDEA. Now come back to the notes. In the step 2, so first thing, Maven Java project is ready inside the Eclipse workspace and we have noted the path. Now we will pick the step 2. In the step 2, we will import the Eclipse project inside the Intellij IDEA. Let's do it. Go to your search, launch the Intellij IDEA instance. See this, I'm using Community Edition. Okay, it is loading. So my previously opened project is loaded here, which was the Python, some demo example I was preparing. Leave this thing. What you have to do right here, go to these lines, just click and then you will see the menu. Go to the file, then you have to select open. Once you click open, you will see this pop-up window, and here this is the path for selecting that location where we have created the project inside the Eclipse workspace. Okay, so you should have that path handy. Just copy that path, come back here, remove this and press enter. Wait, if you see this window, close it, go back, do the same thing again and you will see the right path. Okay, and the tree structure will be appeared for all those files on that path. Here the Eclipse workspace appearing as a node. When you expand it, you will find all the projects available inside that workspace. Okay, so this is our target project which we have created in the Eclipse workspace, right? And we are trying to open this one. Select it and click open. Okay. When you click OK, Intellij IDEA window will show you the configuration available. Like if your project is Gradle based or Maven based, so this will show you which type of configuration you want to import, you want to open as. So this time we have the Maven project in the Eclipse configuration, so we have selected the second option, right? So you can choose which configuration you want to open inside the Intellij IDEA. Right now we want to work with the Maven project, so we will proceed with the option. Now click on the OK. Once you click, you will see another pop-up. This is asking you because you are opening a different folder which Intellij IDEA is first time looking into it. So this will show you that you trust this project. Yes, you have just created, so you can trust it, and simply click on this. Then this will ask you that the new project will be open in a new window or the existing window. If you want to work on the existing project, so choose the new window option. Okay, then a new Intellij IDEA window will open for you. And in this window, you can see your project setup is ready. Here on the left hand side, the tree structure is appearing properly. See this, this is our test project imported successfully. When you expand the SRC folder, you will find the all package hierarchy, and this is the statement inside the main file, and this is our pom.xml file. And the external library links, if anything was there, that will be imported. So Intellij IDEA manages all the things for you to import your Eclipse project inside the Intellij IDEA, right? So we have performed step 2 successfully. Now it's time for the step 3. We are going to take a test run of our imported project inside the Intellij IDEA. Let's do it. So this is the way you can simply launch the current file. Wait for a second. Oh, finally, you got one error. Like release 7 is not supported. What happened? The test project SDK 20 does not support the source version 1.7. This is suggesting us because some JDK version mismatch issue is there. Because in the Eclipse, we have created our project on the different version, and inside the Intellij IDEA, the compatibility is not found. Don't worry, this will suggest you possible solution. So we are going to follow the first one. We are going to downgrade the SDK settings. Okay, click on this blue link and then the project setting window will appear. In here at the project SDK, I will simply select 17 in place of 20. Okay, because 20 was not compatible, we are getting the error. Now we are going to select the 17 and going to click on this apply, click OK. That's it. Now again we will try to run the same project. Let's see what will happen. Once you click run, you can see something is going on, and finally we got the SYSU print statement on the console. Hello world. The execution is successful. Congratulations guys, your project, your Eclipse project is successfully imported inside the Intellij IDEA. I hope you have understood the way how to import the Eclipse project inside the Intellij IDEA. If you found this tutorial relevant and useful, please hit the like button to appreciate, and you can subscribe to support and learn more. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.